So we are here talking about the cell anatomy. Now, what is anatomy? Anatomy is the study of internal structure, right? So we are here talking about the internal structure of the cell. It doesn't have any type of cartilage, any type of bone, it doesn't have any type of skeleton, but it has something else, and that something else is his various microbial structure. I mean, it has a lot of thing inside of it, right? You have ever seen the mitochondria? It is the powerhouse of the cell, the most basic statement taught to the kids. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. And other thing that comes here is various type of cell structure present there. Cell organization, cellular organization present there. So we will going to our talk about various type of them as well. So let's understand them. First thing that comes here is the mitochondria. Now mitochondria, whenever we are talking about this type of thing, the mitochondria seems like any type of cell organization that is present inside the cell. But when the research was done on the mitochondria of the cell, then it found out that mitochondria has its different pair of DNA than to the rest of the cells. Now, this was shocking and it led to a crazy theory. And the theory states that mitochondria was once a bacteria. A bacteria inside trying to go into the eukaryotic cell, because the waste created by the eukaryotic cell were the food for these type of bacteria. Now, once they were living closer, like humans in the previous ages lived closer to river banks because it was their source of water drinking, like that. So, similarly, those bacteria started to serve around the eukaryotic cell, and one got a little too closer and entered inside the cell, and due to that we have a cell, a living being inside our own cell. Now that thing were once a living being, it were once a DNA of another molecule, another being, and it is a symbiotic, it is a symbiotic relationship in which there is no harm to the cell and both cells live independently. So that occurs there as well. Now during this process the both cell live together. That's why the energy producer inside the cell have fused with the cell, but its initial origin was outside the cell. Now, evolution has taken us a long path, but if that single cell, single bacteria didn't had the mind to go inside the prokaryotic cell, then we probably wouldn't have this type of thing right now. So let's thank them. Let's thank their presence that they have led to this. That's the thing. So, I mean, it was a part of evolution. You cannot say that if there's an infinite duration of time, then various millions of possibility could occur. And similarly, it is one in like several billion trillions chances that humans of this type of shape and sizes are formed, because if certain a single step did not occur during the whole pathway of evolution, then we probably would not look like this. We probably would not be here as well. And due to our, it is a byproduct, our smartness is a byproduct of our preciseness done by the natural selection. Now, if we did not have such a great byproduct, then we probably wouldn't be able to understand this whole concept as well. And now we are focused, our survival depends on thinking. Now this thing can have a great impact for our natural selection. So let's see how and where this evolution takes us now on. Thank you.